Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Miss D. Welcome back. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. I am outside after 2 days of staying indoors because the weather was so cold. Finally today it went up in the 40s and I'm able to go outside and to enjoy nature. Why is it important to spend time in nature? Wow, that's a really interesting question. Nature, according to the Word of God, reveals God's glory, His majesty, and it reveals who God is. It reveals His character. Nature is so beautiful. The way the seasons falls into place. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. For me, being in nature is respite from the city. Being in nature, the quietness, the purity, it's so refreshing. It's great for the mental health because it's so relaxing. Right now I'm by the river and you could hear the water. See in the background? That's a river flowing. Isn't that beautiful? Nature gives life a higher satisfaction. When you're in nature, there's a peace that overcomes your whole being. It's almost as if it puts you at rest and puts you in connection with your higher being. It helps you to commune with God in that quiet, peaceful moment. It is so beautiful. And I'm going to show you how the ice forms on the rock from the water that drips and seeps through the rock when it was cold for the past couple days. Look at that. Nature improves emotional state. Spend some time in nature. Spend some time to get to know and connect with your higher power. I'm telling you, I could not wait to be outside today. You can hear some cars in the background, but it is what it is. The river is very close to the roadside. But just to be outside and the fresh air, it feels so amazing. It feels so good. And so I encourage you, take a break. Go for a walk and get a feel. Don't take my word for it. Just get a feel of nature, what it feels like to be outdoors, what it feels like just to be in the middle of nowhere, to be in the woods and just having a good time. It brings joy to my soul. It's encouraging, it's rejuvenating, it's revitalizing. And if you add exercise to it, that takes it to a whole nother level. You can see behind me. My husband is walking behind me. But I am so happy that you are on the journey with me. Don't forget to watch the video to the end. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. I love the outdoors, y'all. I love to be outdoors. And that's how when it's cold, those below zero, and I can't get to go outside, my personality changes because I like to be outdoors. I want to be outside and I want to enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay? So until then, bye for now. And always remember, we are rooting for you. Bye. Don't forget, share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up.